Healthcare is about 1/6 of the economy, and Obama is trying to destroy it. Obamacare, better known as the Unaffordable Care Act, was based and sold to the American people on lies. You remember how Pelosi said we have to pass it to know what's in it? And Obama went around reassuring us for so long, saying you can keep your doctor, you can keep your plan, premiums will be reduced $2,500 per family. Well, the architect of Obamacare, Jonathan Gruber, admitted it was all lies. Even though Obama said it dozens and dozens and dozens of times, they did it just to lie to us. Because you can't keep your doctor, you can't keep your plan. Instead of premiums going down, they're skyrocketing. Wall Street Journal today, when I'm recording this, said as much as 45% increases in some areas in this coming year. Most of the consortiums are going out of business, and this is all by design. Obama wants us to be so depressed and upset about this that it will force us to go to single-payer socialized medicine, which itself is a catastrophe. I mean, you think about around the world where there's socialized medicine, the only way people get good medical care is by going to a private doctor. And just think about the one part of our government now that is government-controlled medical care, the VA. Obama campaigned against the VA's abuses in 2007, and they did nothing about it. People waiting in line. In fact, the head of the VA said recently, oh, it's like waiting in line to go to Disneyland, except people don't die usually waiting in line to go to Disneyland. They die waiting for months and months and months to get an appointment for the VA. You want to turn over all of American medical care, which was the best in the world until Obama destroyed it. It had its problems, but it was still the best in the world. You want to turn that all over to the government that can't handle the TSA? 70,000 people so far in the last few weeks have missed their flights because of how bad the TSA is. And the VA? I mean, just think about it. It's crazy. And Obama sold it just on lies. He also sold it based on fascism, tyranny, forcing, saying if you don't have medical care, we're going to tax you, penalize you. And the Supreme Court with John Roberts actually upheld that ludicrous idea. Obama's been slapped down in so many other areas and may still be slapped down on Obamacare, but the Supreme Court upheld this tyranny, because he's claiming that you can tax people to make them buy health care. And that's what the Democratic Party is. In addition to that, it's been a job killer. Obama has delayed a lot of the implementation of Obamacare to try and help the Democrats win elections because he knows how unpopular it is. But this idea that it starts at companies with 50 people or at a certain number of hours per week, so you know what companies are doing? They're not hiring, or they are reducing the hours so that people are forced to take several part-time jobs and can't get medical care. That's exactly what happens under this stupid idea. And so we have this horrible plan, which is Obama promised it would cost us $900 billion, which is itself is a horrible amount. It's in fact costing $3 trillion. That's one of the reasons Obama has doubled our national debt all by himself. Before Obama, our national debt accumulated, which was too much, was $9 trillion, and he campaigned vigorously against that. But what a hypocrite that he is, now our national debt has doubled to about $19 trillion. And Hillary and Bernie's plans will double that again, making us completely bankrupt and ruining America. The Democrats simply don't care. But on the issue of this Unaffordable Care Act, which Obama calls the Affordable Care Act, which it isn't, and this horrible Obamacare, it's been catastrophic for American health. Most people don't like it. I'm going to provide the link to the Wall Street Journal article today showing how unpopular it is. Just lie, like they always do to try and get it passed. What a disaster, as the Democratic Party always is.